Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 5, Day 3. Listen as I say the sounds in a word. W-it-ch. Put it together, which. Let's do another one. Ch-at, chat. B-en-ch, bench. Let's do some more. B-at-ch, batch. Ch-op, chop. When, ch-ip, chip, d-itch, ditch, wh-isk, whisk, m-atch, match, t-oath-etch, fetch, g-er-af, graph. Okay, so these are a review. I'll highlight the digraph. 3, 2, 1, whack. 3, 2, 1, graph. 3, 2, 1, lunch. 3, 2, 1, oh whoops, there are two here. 3, 2, 1, which, like which one. 3, 2, 1, chick. 3, 2, 1, catch. 3, 2, 1, when. 3, 2, 1, chest. Okay, let's put our sounds together to make a word. I'll let you do this. Blend word pitch. Blend word check. Blend word crunch. Now that's a long one. That has our digraph and a blend. Okay. Blend word whiff. Blend word graph. Okay, let's look at some sounds. 3, 2, 1, ch. 3, 2, 1, wh. 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, as. 3, no. Jizz, is, or as. Boxes, is. Okay, 3, 2, 1, ch. 3, 2, 1, sh. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, k. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, sk. 3, 2, 1, unk. Okay, let's do some together. And then it'll be yes. So we'll do some together and then we'll take turns. So let's do the top together. At word chat. Lunch word lunch. Check word check. Okay, this time I'll let you have a turn. There's ch, our blend ch. 3, 2, 1, pitch. Together, catch. Word, catch. 3, 2, 1, such. There's our blend, ch. Our digraph, ch. And our digraph, ch. And ch. We have a lot of TCH and SHs. Yep. Okay, so these are our digraphs. Now, the goal, friends, is for you to think it, say it in your head, and then say it out loud. If you can't do that, that's okay. We'll keep practicing. Okay, let's do this one together. Which. The word is which, like which one. Okay, your turn in your head if you can. Word when. Okay, now we'll do this one together. Graph. Word graph. Okay, now this time they would like you to sound these out. I'll give you 3 seconds and then I'll say the answer. 3, 2, 1, rich. 3, 2, 1, chat. 3, 2, 1, cat. 3, 2, 1, catch. 3, 2, 1, whiz. 3, 2, 1, whip. 3, 2, 1, bench. Benches. More than one. ES when you have a CH at the end. Oh, here's a CH. It'll probably have an ES. So 3, 2, 1, bunches. Okay, here's my CH. We're going to have an ES again. So 3, 2, 1, lunches. Okay, oh, whoops. So here's CH. We'll probably have an ES again. 3, 2, 1, inches. TCH, we'll have an ES again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, patches. 3, 2, 1, wishes. See how SH has an ES? Okay, let's go up here. 3, 2, 1, dishes. And TCH will have an ES again. 3, 2, 1, sketches. Okay, here's a sentence. Let's read it. When will the chick hatch? Okay, so capital, yes. Finger space, yes. Legible, yes. Spelling, yes. End mark, yes. 3, 2, 1. Question, we don't know. Question mark. Okay, let's look at another sentence. A chunk of lunch fell on Steph's chin. Okay, so do we have our capital? Yes. We also have a capital here because Steph is a name. It's a proper noun. It has a name and a capital. Finger space, yes. Legible, yes. Spelling, yes. And mark. 3, 2, 1, period. I'm just telling you something. Okay, here we go. Around, 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 around. The top spins around. By. I sat by Chad at lunch. Many. Many kids like to run. Place. This is a good place to sit. Walk. Walk with me. And remember, AL says ah. Walk. Okay, here we go. We're going to read this together. A fun chest. Looks like he found a treasure chest, didn't he? Okay, let's look at some words. 3, 2, 1, put. 3, 2, 1, of. 3, 2, 1, like. 3, 2, 1, you. 3, 2, 1, have. 3, 2, 1, down. 3, 2, 1, new. 3, 2, 1, place. 3, 2, 1, many. 3, 2, 1, make. Now cover up the E. That would be Mac. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A. Make. 3, 2, 1, we. 3, 2, 1, walk. 3, 2, 1, around. 3, 2, 1, look. 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, let's read it. So we have some of our digraphs. We have ch, th, ch, sh, ch. We have a lot. Okay, you're gonna go first, then we'll do it together. A fun chest. Like a treasure chest, see? Okay, your turn first. Okay, together. Get a chest. Put a bunch of things in it, like a chess set, a stamp, and a shell. You can have fun with a chest. Okay, next part. So we have our ch here. Not as many digraphs. Okay, let's read this one together. Set the chest down in a new place. Then get a pad and sketch a map. Add many spots on it. Make an X on the map. Okay. Oh, whoops. Okay, we'll do this one together also. I see ch and ch. Okay, here we go. Fetch a hat and a patch. See the patch on her eye? It is fun to dress up. Tell a pal, let's play. We can get rich. Okay, so they're looking at the treasure. It looks like they're trying to find where X marks the spot, right? Okay, let's read this together. Ask him to walk around and check for the chest. Let him look at the map. Can he find the chest? Okay, together. Put the things back in the chest. Then let a pal sketch a map. It can be such fun. Okay, friends. So, we have been talking about ES. We know that when there's an X, an S, or a double S, we have to add ES. But when we have CH, SH, or TCH, we also have to add an S. So this is inch. Inch becomes inches. Stitch becomes stitches. Bench, do you see how it ends with a CH? We have to add ES. Becomes benches. Sketch has a CH. We have to add ES. Sketches. And then last of all, so we've been talking about common nouns and proper nouns. A common noun is any store or any toy or any girl or boy. But a proper noun tells us who. So that is what we've been learning from last week. And then from this week, we've also been learning about irregular plural nouns. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. And most of the time, if I have a dog, I'm going to add S to make it more than one. Dogs. Or sometimes I even add an ES like lunches. Lunches. Whoops. Now, irregular plural nouns mean that we change the whole word. So man becomes men. Child becomes children. Person becomes people. So let's look for the irregular plural noun. The signs tell them the names. The signs tell them the names of the places. The children can tell where they are using the pictures and words. Did you hear our irregular plural? Do you know what it was? If you said children, you're correct. Because child, this is child, does not become childs, it becomes children. Okay? So that is an irregular plural noun. Okay, bye everyone. See you tomorrow.